G'day, this is Leon from Yakka Group, and over the last couple of weeks, myself and Fraser has been out and about visiting customers. The message we are getting across the board is that the industry is at an all-time high and machinery is running at their capacity. But customers are still struggling to keep up with the workload. I would like to take this opportunity to run you guys through a couple of solutions that we can gain you guys minutes in the day. Number one, we can look at your existing tooling and make sure they are running at their optimal RPMs and feed speeds. Number two, we can look at new tools, and they could be high performance tools to match your machine capacity. Or number three, we can look at tailored solutions where we can combine a couple of processes. These are just some of the solutions we can provide you guys with to gain you minutes in the day. If you would like to find out a bit more information on how we can assist you guys or to arrange a site visit, please get in touch with us. Thank you very much for this time and have a great day.